Hello all, welcome back. In the previous video, we discussed about arithmetic exception and array index out of bounds exception. In this video, we will discuss about number format exception and try with the multiple catch. So let's do the same thing practically. Let me save this program as demo3.java. This is demo number 3. Now let me write some rule over here. You can say that in try we can write the code. So you can say try is used to monitor the code. And what is catch? We can say catch is used to handle the exception. So in catch we can write the name of exception which you want to handle. So whatever the exception that you want to handle, that you can write in a catch. But one of the best thing is what? We can write multiple catch in one try. So what is multiple catch? For example, if you run this particular program, javac demo3.java, if you compile this program, that is javac demo3.java, and if you run this java demo3, then what happens? It says that please provide at least one argument. Suppose if I am providing 0, then it says that cannot divide by 0. And suppose if I am providing here the input, that is for example 5, then it says that a divided by, that is 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. Yes, it is correct, but sometimes user is providing string here, for example Atmiya. Then what? So my integer will not be able to cast this Atmiya string. So it will give me an exception, and the exception is what? Number format exception. So how we can handle this? It is very simple. You can write another catch, and here you can write the number format exception, and here you can write the message that please provide numeric only. Why? Because we are doing the a divided by b. So we can write the multiple catch for one try. And here what happens? See, if the user is not providing any argument, then this catch will be executed. If this user will not provide the numeric, then this catch will be executed. And if this user is providing the proper numeric, then none of this catch will be executed and it will go into the another try. So you can save this. Now you can compile this particular program javac demo3.java and you can run demo3. Suppose if you are providing 5, none of this catch will be executed, and here a divided by b, that is 20 divided by 5, I will get the 4, and end of main. Here none of the catch is executed. But suppose if user providing 0, then what happen? If you are providing 0, is it numeric? Yes. Is user is providing at least one argument? Yes. Then it will go into the another try, but a divided by b, so it will give me cannot divide by 0 and end of main. But I will get always one message, that is end of main. Why? Just because I am handling the proper exception chaining here. Suppose if user is not providing any argument, then array index out of bound will be executed over here, then number format will not be executed. At least only one catch will be executed, and that is the first catch that it match. So it will do what? It will give me please provide at least one argument. So this catch is executed and this catch is executed. This number format exception catch is not executed. But suppose if user is providing the value, and that is for example Atmiya, this is string, then what happened? It will give me a message that please provide numeric only. Now this please provide at least one argument is not executed. Why? Because I provided one argument. But it gives me a message please provide numeric only, cannot divide by 0. Why? Because the default value is 0, and end of main. You can combine all this catch, that is arithmetic, array index out of bound, and number format in one try also. How we can do this? Let me save this program as demo4.java. Let me write this class name as demo4. Now here what we can do? We can write this particular statement over here, that is system.out.println a divided by b. and you can write this particular catch over here. So no need to write this particular try. So you can say this is the one try with the multiple catch. Now what happened? If user is not providing any argument, then array index out of bound exception will be executed. If user is providing the argument but it is string, then number format exception will be executed. If user is providing the argument 0, then this arithmetic exception will be executed. So you can write the code like this. You can save this. You can compile this particular program, that is demo4.java, and you can run demo4. What happened? If you are not providing argument, it says that please provide at least one argument. If you are providing the argument Atmiya, then it says that please provide numeric only. If you are providing here 0, then it says that cannot divide by 0. But if you are providing 5, then it will give you 4 and end of main. So all probability, all possibility is available over here. So here what happens, see, if user is not providing any argument, then this array index out of bound will execute it. If user not providing the number and if user is providing the string, then this exception will be caught. And if user is providing the 0 as a second argument, then a divided by b will be 0. So cannot divide by 0, error is there, so your arithmetic exception will be executed. So this is the way you can write the try with the multiple catch. So that's it from my side. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.